Hello everyone, this is your physics teacher Eamon, and today I am going to start a new playlist which is going to be very interesting for all of you. I have decided to solve few important questions of last year's IIT JEE and NIT papers. So let's get started. We are starting with the first chapter of dimensions, and we will proceed in the sequence. Now the first question is already on your screen. This came in year 2004. The question says variation of pressure with distance is given by the formula P equals to alpha by beta e to the power of minus alpha z by k theta, where alpha and beta are constant. K is Boltzmann constant and theta is temperature. The dimensional formula of beta will be, so in this question you have to find out the dimensional formula of beta. So let's solve it. Now the question already given was P is equal to alpha by beta e to the power of minus alpha z by k theta. You have to remember here your alpha beta are constant, z is the distance, k is Boltzmann's constant, and theta is temperature. Now if you have studied the chapter of dimension thoroughly, you will understand this. This quantity e to the power of something is actually a dimensionless quantity. So I can actually say here that the dimension of pressure is equal to dimension of alpha by dimension of beta, simply because e to the power of something is a dimensionless quantity. So my dimension of beta will be simply dimension of alpha by dimension of pressure. Now pressure is force by area, mLT to the power of minus 2 by L square. So this is the dimension of pressure. So all I have to do now is to find out the dimension of alpha, which I will use using this concept that Ez by k theta is dimensionless. So let me write here 1. Dimension of this quantity is nothing, 1. It is 1. Wait, this is not E, actually this is your alpha. By mistake I wrote E. Okay, so dimension of alpha, dimension of z, z is distance, so length. Dimension of k theta, k is Boltzmann constant, theta is temperature. Dimension of k theta will be equal to dimension of pressure and volume. So pressure is ml inverse t to the power of minus 2 and volume is L cube. All this is equal to 1. Let us solve it. Dimension of alpha m L to the power of 2 t minus 2 and 1 L over here. So see what I get. M L t to the power of minus 2. Now this I am going to substitute over here. Let us go to the next slide. Okay, so m L t to the power of minus 2, m L t to the power of minus 2 divided by, let us see what was there in denominator. Yes, it was this, ml inverse t to the power of minus 2, ml inverse t to the power of minus 2. Just a minute. M is getting cancelled, this is also getting cancelled. I am left with L square. So L square is my answer. So the dimension of beta is L square. Let's find out which option. Yes, it is this option. So C is my option. Let us proceed to the second question. This came in year 2019 in JEE mains. The question says, if surface tension S, moment of inertia I and Planck constant h were to be taken as the fundamental units, the dimensional formula for linear momentum would be. So in this question, actually you have to find the dimensional formula of linear momentum in terms of surface tension, inertia and Planck constant. So let us start. Let linear momentum be dependent on some x power of surface tension, some y power of moment of inertia and some z power of Planck constant. Now we have to write the dimensions of the quantities on left hand side and right hand side. mlt to the power of -1. After all, this is your linear momentum. Linear momentum is mass into velocity, so mlt to the power of -1. Surface tension's dimension is mt to the power of -2 to the power of x. Moment of inertia is actually mass into distance square, so ml square. And for Planck constant is actually energy by time, sorry, energy by frequency. So here the dimension will be ml square t to the power of -3 to the power of z. Now you have to equate the powers of m, l and t from both sides. So m here is x plus y plus z. We have to use the rule of indices. T to the power of -2x minus 3z, and L is to the power of 2y, what else, plus 2z. Let us check before we proceed. M is to the power of x plus y plus z, t to the power of -2x minus 3z, L to the power of 2y plus 2z. Yes, and here we have m to the power of 1, L to the power of again 1 and t to the power of -1. So after equating the indices powers, we get x plus y plus z is equal to equation 1, first equation, -2x minus 3z is equal to -1. This is equation 2. 2y plus 2z is equal to 1. This is my equation 3. Now all of you can see we have got 3 equations and 3 unknown, so that can obviously be solved. So let's proceed to solve. So I'm starting from equation 3, and I can see here I'm getting y plus z equals to half. This I will substitute in equation 1. X plus half is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 minus half equals to half. So I get the value of x. Next I can substitute in equation 2 to find out z. So -2 x is half minus 3z equals to -1. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. -1 minus 3z equals to -1. So z is equal to 0. Similarly, from equation 3 I can find out y. 2y plus 2z, z is already 0, so y is equal to half. So my answer is x is equal to half, y is equal to half and z is equal to 0. So I can substitute. I took this p is equal to s to the power of x, means half, I to the power of y also I got half, and h to the power of 0. So this is my answer. Let us find which option. S half, I half, h 0. Yes, it is option number C. So let us proceed to the third question. This came for PMT in 2015, pre-medical test of 2015. The question says the energy, velocity and time are chosen as fundamental quantities, then the dimensional formula for surface tension will be. So we have to find the dimensional formula of surface tension in terms of energy, velocity and time. So surface tension in terms of energy, velocity and time. So let surface tension be some x power of energy, y power of velocity and some z power of time. Then I can write the equations on the left and the right hand side, and I can equate the powers. Surface tension's dimensional formula is, surface tension is energy by area, so it will be ml t to the power of minus 2, energy ml square t to the power of minus 2 by L square. And of course L square and L square is getting cancelled. Energy is ml square t to the power of minus 2 to the power of x. Velocity is lt to the power of minus 1 to the power of y, and time, for time dimension, is capital T to the power of z. So we see here m is to the power of x, L is 2 to the power of x plus y, and T is to the power of minus 2x minus y plus z. And on the left hand side I have m to the power of 1, L to the power of 0, T to the power of minus 2. So if I equate the powers very easily, I can see x is equal to 1, 2x plus y is equal to 0. So 2 plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. Yes, now we can equate the power of t. So minus 2x minus y plus z is equal to minus 2. X value we got 1, so after substituting minus 2 only, y is minus 2 plus z equals to minus 2. This gets cancelled, so 2 plus z is equal to 0, z is equal to minus 2. So here we are getting the answer. E to the power of x means 1, v to the power of y means minus 2, and t to the power of z means once again minus 2. So our option is, let us find the option. Yes, it is this option, e v to the power of minus 2, t to the power of minus 2. Students, if you are liking this video, if you are understanding my lecture, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share it. It will be helpful for other students who is equally serious like you in studies and who want to crack joint entrance examinations. And one more thing, if you want me to explain it in Hindi or Bengali, then you can leave your comment in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.